Hello, welcome to Just Prime. As part of this video, we are going to understand how to turn off the Spring Boot default banner from the console log which is generating, and how can we customize the default Spring Boot banner to our own one. So these are the two things we are going to learn. The first thing is how we are going to turn off the default banner, and the second thing is how we are going to customize this banner. So these are the two things we are going to learn. So as like previously, we are going to create a simple Spring Boot application. From that, we are going to understand these two things. So first, let me select the Maven and Java. Let me select latest one and group ID test, artifact ID Spring Boot banner demo. So this is the way I'm going to make you demo Spring Boot banner demo. So this is the artifact ID, and I'm going to select Java 20, and the package name I just want to keep it as a short test. So that's it. So Java Maven and latest version, and the corresponding package name, group ID, artifact ID, and then just add a dependency Spring Boot web. That's it. We don't need any other things, because here we are not going to write any controller. We will just run the Spring Boot application and we will verify the console log. That's it. So we are good here. So now generate this and go to your downloads location and try to take this project and keep it in your favorite location. So I'm going to keep it over here and then unzip it and then import into your Eclipse. So these are the standard steps we have seen um, in the previous videos many times. So I am just going to follow the same steps. So now I'm going to import this Spring Boot Maven project into my Eclipse, and then we will start modifying the necessary config changes which is required. So let me import existing Maven, paste the location, finish it. So the first things what we have to do, we want to see the default banner how it is generating. Then we will see how we are going to turn off it. So this is the default project what we have created. I am just going to start the project, and we want to see the default banner how it is generating. So if you see here, right, when I ran this Spring Boot main application, the default banner is generating over here like this. The first we are trying to understand, so how we are going to turn off this one. We don't want this one. In that case, how we are going to turn off it. So to turn off this banner, you have to go to your resource properties, and then you have to add a property called spring main banner mode, spring dot main dot banner hyphen mode equal to off. So if you add this property, what it will do when the Spring Boot application before running, so this Spring is a typo. So it will try to look for all the properties. If you have anything, then it will try to load this one, Spring main banner hyphen mode equal to off. So this also will be red. So when we see this off mode, so then this banner will not be displayed into the console or log. Okay. So to verify this one, I am going to turn off the currently ran port. I am just going to rerun this application again back and just verify it out. So if you see here now in the console, we are not seeing the default Spring Boot banner. So this is the way you can able to turn off the banner with the help of this property, Spring main banner hyphen mode off. So now it is turned off. If you want to get it back again, so then you can just update console. So console, then again we are going to retain the default banner, right? So let me rerun again. Before rerunning, you just turn off the previous instance, otherwise you will be getting the port conflict. So now I made the banner mode is a console, then we can see the default Spring Boot banner. So this is the way you can able to turn off or on, right? So, so this is the one point. So how we are going to turn off or how we are going to initiate back again the default banner. So this is point number one. Right now, the point number two, what we are going to understand it. Say for instance, I don't want this default banner. I want to display my own custom banner. So how we are going to do that one? So for this one, we have to do two things. One is you have to generate your own custom banner. So first we will generate our custom banner. So for that you can use, there are many online tools are available. So you can use any text to ASCII art. So you can use any tools which is available in the market or in Google. So you just take one of the tool which is I'm showing here. So you can able to find this link in the video description as well. So you can take it and you can write your own text what you want over here. So here you can see here the ASCII is generating. So you can generate whichever style font you want. So I'm going to generate a simple one. I'm going to select big, but there are many styles are available, but you can generate as per your wish. So this is one of the style. Let me select the simple one. So this is a simple one I want to display, and let me put P is uppercase. The first step is you have to generate the ASCII and then copy the ASCII and then go to your Eclipse and then you can create a simple file, my banner. You can store somewhere this banner what you have got created. So this is the first step. Generate the banner whichever you are interested and then store the banner into any text file. If you want you can write here 1.0. If you want a specific version for your banner or anything, so you can do it right here. So this is the first step, right? So we have to generate the banner and then store the banner into one of the text file which is available inside the resource. So this is the step number one. So now your banner is ready, but how you are going to tell your Spring Boot application you have to use this banner, right? So for this you have to write another property. So let me comment it out. This one we can use only when you want to enable or disable the banner, then you can use this property, but right now we don't want to use it. So we want to, now the second part is we just want to use our own custom banner. So now we want to display this banner into the log, right? So for that we need to tell to our Spring Boot application. So when the application is loading, so you have to use this banner. So that we need to instruct to the Spring Boot application with the help of this application.properties. So for that what we have to do, we have to tell the location of the banner which is having the custom banner, right? So for that we have to tell Spring banner location right here, Spring dot banner dot location equal to, so you can give the location of the file. So it's just in same location, so I can give the file directly, or if it is any specific remote or any other location, so I have to give the location. So in our case it's in same location, so I can give the file name directly so that it will look in the same location and then it will find the text file, and inside that whichever content is available it will try to display the into the console. Spring banner location equal to the file path location, right? So in our case it's in same location, so I just given the directly the banner file name, right? So this is the second step. First step is you have to generate the ASCII format for your banner, and the second thing is store the same into any of the file and give the location to this property Spring banner location. There's a typo here. Spring banner location equal to the file location. So this is the second step. Once this is done, then we are good to go to restart our application. Before restarting, make sure you have to turn off the previous instance, otherwise you will be getting the port conflict. Yes, now we can see over here. So when I am running my banner, I can see here just prime my own banner is coming up. So this is the way you can able to customize the default banner to your own one, and also you can able to turn off the banner in case if you don't want, right? Say for instance, now banner is coming up. Now I don't want to display my custom banner also. For that, what you have to do, you just go here, enable it, off. So I don't want to display even my custom banner also, and then just stop it, come back here and just rerun your Spring Boot application and just verify it out. Now you can see over here, so it's not generating any banner, right? So this is the way you can able to turn off the banner and then customize the banner with the help of these two properties. Yeah, I think that's all about this video, and if you like the video, you can subscribe the channel more subsequent updates, and thanks for your time. Thank you.